Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own playlist on Amazon Music. Creating a custom playlist lets you organize your favorite songs in one place, making it easy to enjoy your music exactly the way you want it. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to music.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This will give you access to all your music library and playlist features. After logging in, look at the top toolbar where you'll see several navigation options. Click on Library, then select Music from the drop-down. This takes you to your personal music collection where you can manage everything you've saved or created. Next, click on Playlists. This section shows all the playlists you've created or saved, and it's where you'll build your new custom collection. Now click the plus Create Playlist button. This opens a simple dialog box where you can give your playlist a unique name that reflects the mood or theme you're going for. Type in your playlist name, then click Save. Your playlist is now created and ready to be filled with songs. It might take just a moment for the page to refresh and show your new playlist in the list. Now, even though I'm not currently subscribed to Amazon Music, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do when you're ready to add songs. Once your playlist is set up, you'll want to search for the song you'd like to add. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the song title or artist name. This will pull up a list of matching results. When you find the song you're looking for, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you several options for managing that song, including adding it to a playlist. From the menu, select Add to Playlist. A list of your playlists will appear, showing all the collections you've created. Click on your playlist name to add the song. The song will now be part of your custom playlist, and you can listen to it anytime you open that collection. If you want to add more songs, simply repeat these steps. Search for another song, click the three-dot menu, select Add to Playlist, and choose your playlist again. You can keep adding as many songs as you like to build the perfect soundtrack. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own playlist on Amazon Music and learned how to fill it with your favorite tracks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.